Hey you all, welcome to this video where I will help you out how to create a team right here in ClickUp. And with this I mean, let's say you are running a business. So let's say you have a YouTube channel and you have freelancers working for you. Then what you can do is create a team and work with them on ClickUp. So let's say we want to invite our team to ClickUp. So what we're going to do right now is first of all log in to your ClickUp account, so your workspace right here, and then we select right here teams. Then right now you can create a team by clicking on create team or on this plus icon. So we will do that and then click here on create team. Then we will give this team a name. So create team 1, just for example. We can also add a description right here. So the best team in town. And then we do right here create team. Then from now we do skip from now, but you can immediately invite people when you're already invited people to your ClickUp. And then right now what we can do is go right here to add member and then fill in right here the email address from the member that you want to invite. But keep in mind, once you send him or her an invite, the invite can be stopped in the spam folder. So let them check the spam folder very, very carefully, because most of the time he sent an invite to the spam folder. So then after that they can join it and then you created your team right here in ClickUp. So this is how you can create a team right here in ClickUp. Hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.